that's also a common situation for a lot of families. Yung, in a way, tension between girlfriends and mothers, wives and mothers of the husband, etc. May minsan may competition, may jealousy, di ba? I mean,
Mhm.
I've seen this play out in a lot of different ways, no? Uh, so you see family situations like that, right? And what do you usually advise?
So, wala naman pang inherently, you should always side with this one. No? Walang ganon. Kasi it really, really depends on context. In fact, parang tinatanong din ng friends ko, kung ikaw yan, di ba? Parang you're asked to choose, di ba? Between a parent and your partner, who would you choose? Sabi ko, ay, kung sino yung nagtanong. Sabi ko, kung sino yung nag-ultimatum sa akin. Di ba? Yun ang ima-minus points ko. Kasi I think that's the thing. Like, again, treating it from a family perspective, it shouldn't be someone that forces you to choose one or the other. Parang Solomon's baby to, no, Howie? If you think about it, parang, di ba? Who says you have to choose me or her, di ba? It's a version of that. And then someone says, wait, I don't want you to have to choose. So actually, if you get a person like that, di ba? Where I don't want you to have to choose, I want you to have them all. I want you to have us all. That's a keeper. Di ba? Yun ang keeper. And in a way, like I know we have concerns as parents and we want what's best for our children. Pero yung giving ultimatums, di ba? Or kind of saying, kung nandiyan ka, di ba? Hindi kita kakausapin. I don't actually know what's going on with the family per se. Pero kung nagbigay ka ng parang hard line, di ba? Hiwalayan mo yan. Or hindi ko siya type. No? Hindi ko siya type. Type siya ng anak mo eh. So actually, ang mangyayari, di ba? Mapapalayo siya sa'yo. So what I advise parents, Howie, no matter, with this issue and other issues, is always choose the side where he will continue to listen to you. Diba? Always choose the route na meron ka pa ring influence sa kanya. Na you're still someone he trusts. Kaya actually, my own parents, they would admit to me once relationships are over. Sabi niya, ayaw namin magsalita eh. Kasi di ba alam namin, pag nagsalita kami ng negative, no, about your boyfriend, no, na mamasamain mo. Yun. So, dapat may konting, di ba, parang isipin mo, teklang, is this worth it? Kasi right now, in love pa eh. Guguluhin ko ba? If I really have concerns, I want to still be within that circle of trust ng anak ko. Para if something does happen and my son gets hurt, right? Or my son is on the verge of getting hurt, nandyan ako na para sumalo.